Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to rate candidates on Ziprecruiters. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter's employer account, which of course I've done right here. And I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly learn how to rate candidates on Ziprecruiters. From your home page to the homepage of your employer account, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have this post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. Now click on candidates. Now, once you click on candidates, you can click on all candidates for you to find all your candidates. Now, I'll not be able to explore the candidates feature because I'm using the free version of Ziprecruiter. But if you're not using if you want to use the candidate feature, go ahead and click on this try premium for free to subscribe to the premium version of Ziprecruiter. Once you've done that and you click on candidates, I'm going to show you the window that is going to be displayed. So over here we have the candidates. Click on candidates and this is the window. Don't take it to a window where you're going to have a list of all your candidates. So to rate your candidates, select an option from the rating column on the right hand side of your screen. So this is what it's going to look like. These are the candidates. At the top right corner, you're going to find rating. So you'll be able to rate your candidates from here. So click on that on the box. This is what the box looks like. So this is the rating column, and under it you're going to see this box just right at the left corner of your screen next to any candidate of your choice. So click on that. This wants more candidates like this. So you can click on this thumbs down, you can click on this option, and you can do thumbs up. So whichever one you choose, that's how you'll be able to rate your candidate on Ziprecruiter. So this is how you can rate candidates. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.